Coaching business is not for everyone. If you came here, you just want to make money without really giving value to your prospects, that's not gonna work, my friend. Lahat po tayo kailangan ng pera. Lahat tayo gustong kumita. But your focus is always been the market, it's not you. How can I serve them? How can I help them solve their problems? That's what your focus is all about. This is for you if you enjoy helping people. Anyone here, taas ang kamay, who love to help people? Pakitaas po ang kamay. Woo! Look around you. You are ready to crush that inner voice, yung utak tuko that holding you back. Experience financial freedom this year. Are you guys ready to crush that thing? This is like one of the best business there is. Why do you think I keep online coaching? Why do you think I'm coaching? Two things. It's good money and helping a lot of people. Why do we always have to, Sir John, gusto ko lang tumulong sa tao eh. Sino rito yung nagpapabayad yung, bahala ka na. Magkano babayad kasi? Bahala ka na. Hire kita public speaker, okay. Magkano? Bahala ka na. Huwag ganun. So business is a business. Not because you're charging money, that means you're taking advantage of someone, no?
Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.